WordPress is one of the most widely used web application for designing websites. For all the WordPress website developers out there, today we are going to cover three topics. First one is internal linking and the use of anchor tags. Second one is what is the use of alt text. Third one is how to index the images in Google Images. First one, talking about internal linking. I'm opening my website winzemrels.com. This is my home page. I'm going to go to the second page. The promote page I created is for all the business owners to list their business in my page. You can see many companies have listed, and also the freelancers who are looking for projects to list their profiles in my page. How is it going to help them? Well, when I run paid ads for this entire website, their business is going to be promoted as well. So I am not costing any price for them. That is how it is going to be useful. So this is the reason I created this page. If any business out there want to list your business, please connect with me through my website. I have all the details in my website. Now, you can see the sections. I have created this section and I have created this second one and a lot of other sections as well. Now, these are three buttons. When I click on the promote button, it takes me here. When I click on hire button, it takes me to this section. When I click on this, it again takes me to here. How does this happen? When I click this, I have used an anchor tag and I placed it in this section and linked it towards this button again in the same page. There is another button here in the top. When I click on this, it will take them to the contact us page. So entire process is called as internal linking. Let us see how to do the internal linking in the same page first. You can use Elementor free version. I've opened the page in my WordPress dashboard in my website. This is the backend in the Elementor. Now, this is the button and this is the section. Now, to place the anchor tags, you have to click on this section. This is the destination where we want the button to take us. Go to advanced. You can see class ID. I've given a name called ads. You can give any name here. Now, I want to link this with this button. So click on this button. In the content, I have written #ads. I have used an hashtag. This is internal linking. Click on publish and it works. This section is linked with this button in the same page. Now we are going to see in the different page. This button is taking me to the contact us page. To do this, please observe carefully. First, you have to open your website in a separate pane. Click on the contact us. This is let us know. This is my contact us page. This is the URL. You have to copy the entire URL. Before you copy the entire URL, decide on which section of this page the button should work. So we have to place an anchor here. I have placed the anchor in this part of the section. So go to this. It may take a little time because I have huge things inside my website, but yeah, good. So I have placed the anchor tag in this section. So you click on this, click on advanced. You can see the anchor I placed is contacts. Now, how to link it with the promote button? This button. So what we have to do is just note down this contacts. All right. Then open our page of promote page where we created the button. This is internal linking to a different page and different section of that page. So this button is what we used, right? Click on the button in the link section. Now you can see I have pasted the entire URL of the contact us page, followed by a slash, followed by a hash, and then I have given the anchor name, contacts. hit on publish. Now, when someone clicks on this, it will take me to the let me know page and in the contact us section. This is the internal linking of different page. Now guys, we have seen internal linking. What is an alt text? When we are using LinkedIn, when we are uploading an image, it will ask for alt text. Is it so important? It's very, very important. Alt text helps us to index the images in lots of places in the internet. Second thing, people who are visually impaired will be able to understand the image through the alt text. Now, how to give the alt text? Now, for this image in the background, the guy who's sitting with the book, I have used alt text. Now, go back to this page. I'm going to the home page where I've used that image. Go to this section, click on this edit section, find the image, click on the image. You can see I've given an alt text. An employee with a book in his office sitting under a table lamp. Now you can see this is the alt text. Alt text is nothing but describing the image properly. Okay, that's all. We need not do anything. Give the alt text, give the captions. If you have copied this image from any other websites, just use the website link here and then click on select and use the image and publish. By this way, the image is going to be indexed properly, and as well as Google is going to consider our website for promotions and running ads because it is legitimate. We have given links properly from the source where we copied the images. We can see a lot of images in the Google images are indexed, but how is it getting inside the Google images? There is no way to upload it directly to the Google images. If you submit your website in the Google search engine, automatically more traffic to your website, the Google images will index by itself. Now I am going to search my website in google.com. This is Google search engine. I am going to search my website. Now you can see my website is listed in the search engine. When I click on the images, you can see many images of my website is indexed here. The first reason is alt text. The second reason is why I open this image. If I click on my logo, it should directly take me to my website. You can see this. The main reason of having Google images indexed is through alt text, and also if someone clicks on our website, scrolls for a long time, it gets indexed with Google images. This is very important. And one more thing, if someone clicks on this image, it should take us to our website. If anybody uses this, it should not go to their website, or else we will lose the traffic. How to do this? Go to the dashboard. Find what is the SEO tool that you use. I used Yoast SEO. Go to settings. Now you can see the settings here. Now in the advanced tag, there will be something called media pages. Always switch off this media pages. Okay, by this way, if someone clicks on this, it will directly come to our website. It will not go to any other website, or if anybody has copied this, it will not go to their website as well. That's it, guys. See you.